In this video, we will talk about separator widget in Python Tkinter. Separators are the horizontal or vertical lines created to strike a separation between widgets or a group of widgets. It contributes to the improvement of GUI application. So in the image, you can see that these are the horizontal separators and these are the vertical separators. So let's go ahead and learn how we can use the separator widget in Python Tkinter. So I am on my VS Code editor right now. So first thing first, we have to import the ttk module from Tkinter. After that, using ttk module, I have to create separator with capital S, write separator, and then mention the name of the container. So it's WS in my case. After providing the container, we have to provide the orientation. So whether it will be horizontal or vertical. So let's give it horizontal. Next is style. So style is whatever color you want to provide. If you want to change the background color for this widget, then you can use it. Then you can change it using this style. So the default style information that is available is T. So we have to write T separator over here. So the default is T separator, that is capital T with capital S and then the spelling of separator. So in order to implement this thing, we have to create the style. So in order to create a style, first of all, we have to define the style. So let me give the short name for the style is sty and l style equals to ttk.Style, capital S style, bracket open close, and then we have to configure the style styl.configure. We have to provide the name and then the background color that you want to provide to your separator. So let's give it green. Now after providing style, the other option is available is class. So the default class is ttk.Separator. It is basically the name of the function that we are using right now. If you have created any other function for that, then you can mention that over here. If you have created any other class, then you can provide that as well. Then it will ask if you want to take focus or not. So if you will set it to true, that means the separator will achieve focus, then it won't receive the focus. So I'll just give it true. Next is cursor. So there are a couple of options for cursor. Out of those options, I am giving it as plus. In the end, let's pack it. Okay, I'm sorry, cursor. So it is not appearing because it's very small right over here. So since we are not able to see that, so we will just make some changes in the pack. So first of all, we will set fill to X. Because it is horizontal, that is why we are setting it to the X, and then we will provide some pad X so that it start appearing to little bit to the right side, and then expand equals to true, so that it will expand into the available space. Now you can see that there is a separator over here. And the moment we are hovering over the mouse cursor on it, it is changing to plus because we have provided the cursor set to plus. Okay, so the color has not changed. So let me make some changes over here. Instead of BG, I have to write background. Now you can see that the color has been changed to green. Similar thing we can do in order to create a vertical separator. So I will just copy this thing and paste it over here. And while creating a vertical, I have to change the orientation to vertical. Also, I have to change the fill from X to Y because we want it in the up down direction now. Rest, let's change the pad X to pad Y. Okay, now you can see that there is a vertical separator over here. So in this way, you can create the separator widget in Python Tkinter.